Hello, everyone. Thank you all for joining me today. I want to share with you how to collect email addresses for marketing. So you have your regular email address that you signed up with, that you registered once you had your web hosting. Now you can fuse it or another with the email marketing campaign that you will be setting up. How to collect emails? It's simple. All you have to do is sign up with a service that will manage your emails, manage your clients' emails, manage your campaigns. So the way you do that is you have forms. Say, for instance, I've signed up with Aweber at aweber.com. So what I've done is, as you can see right here, I have the name and I have the email box here, and it has send me info. So whenever someone comes to my website, they put in their name, they place their email address in here, and they press send me info. And what happens is the the people who are managing my my mailing list, from those who are sending for more info, a piece of mail goes straight to their email box, talking about the information or explaining to the client, the person who placed in their email, explaining everything about the information, whatever information that you see here, that has convinced them to put in their name and email to receive the information. So once they put in their name, email, and send it, it will automatically resend them. It'll automatically send them information, whatever information, and then we do business from there. So that's how you collect email addresses. You can collect as much as 10,000, 100,000 emails once you get your marketing popping and get it going. So I use Aweber. I have the link below where you can go ahead and get that started. You go ahead and check it out and see if this is something you want to do. Aweber is very prominent in the email marketing business. They are very well known, and I love them. I haven't had any problems with using Aweber. So that is how you collect them, and this is them right here. You see right here, you can actually go for the free trial and see how for the 30-day free trial. Just by pressing the link below, go through the 30-day free trial, and just play with it a little bit and see if you like it. I will also be releasing tutorials on how to navigate Aweber, so look for those in the future. You won't be alone in this journey. Okay, so just know that you will be seeing more tutorials on how to navigate, and as well as you have other people. You have the Aweber team that will help you throughout this journey as well. But you will see me with my own tutorials, and including the Aweber team. So thank you all for joining me. This is how you collect email addresses for marketing. You have to sign up with a good email marketing firm who will collect emails for you, and will allow you to use their service to market to whomever you want to. Okay, whoever signs up. And what I have here is when someone signs up, email will automatically come straight to them. The good thing about having email service, having a mailing list, is now you have a real business. A real business has a mailing list. Okay, that you remarket great products and services to your audience. You don't want to be a one-hit wonder. You don't want to just to have them send. You don't want them to send them your email. Send you their email, and you just market one piece of service to them, or one product. You want to continue starting a campaign and keeping up with your readers and your buyers and your viewers, and providing the best services that you can for them. Okay, so that is how you collect emails. Thank you all for joining me on this tutorial. I will see you in the next tutorial on email marketing. Thank you.